What's going on,
SB?
Logs? Today on Top Reacts, SB19
Woohoo!
Wish Bus performance on Liham. Stay tuned. Alright, welcome back, Topsy Logs and 18. How y'all doing?
Hello!
Alright,
Shout out kay, ano pa?
Eva Longoria?
Mendez?
No.
No.
So, Eva is
Eva,
one of
Eva.
those
Nag-live
viewers.
tayo.
Nag-live tayo.
Yeah.
So, Eva
Oh yeah,
was there
right.
saying,
Meron
what's
mga tayo,
up?
ano, di ba? Yappies. Yung
Yeah.
isa pa, Yappies. Micronesia, remember?
That's true.
Yeah, one of them.
Oh, that Micronesian, yeah.
And then the guy from Bay Area.
Oh, yeah,
Yeah,
was it Fred? I forget.
yeah.
Well, how are you guys
You
doing?
just want to say hi to those.
Hello to everyone.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Eva
Or if-
Valimento, holla at you.
Yeah.
And holla to my relatives in Malayan, Batangas, Kuya Jeff. Hope you get feel better.
Feel better. Lagi mga kaibigan ko sa Baguio, mga relatives sa Baguio.
Yes. And to all our SB19 fans.
Yes.
Of course.
And the top Talks fans or Top Production fans. So today we're gonna do another SB19.
SB.
One of the commenters put in saying you should watch Liham by SB19 on the Wish Bus.
Liham.
Liham, meaning letter.
Letter.
Yeah, Liham.
Ooh, loud song.
Liham. Liham.
Love letter.
Letter. It's a letter. Yeah,
Letter.
letter.
Oh, letter.
Susulat ka ng liham para sa iyong nanay, sa tatay.
Also letter.
Oh,
Letter.
talaga?
Yeah, liham.
Oh, shit.
It sounds like our love
Just-
songs.
It's a
Yeah,
little deep.
Letter.
It's pretty deep. Pretty deep.
Deep.
So without further ado, here's our boys SB19
All right.
on Liham. Sa jeep.
Wish.
Ang aking mundo ay payapa
1075.
sa di malamang dahilan. At noon ay buo kong inakala lahat ay ayos na naman. Nang bigla na lang ay dumating ang di hinantay, nagbabalat kayong himala. Mga pasan ay gumaan, ikaw ang tanging dahilan. Sa'yo lang napuno ng kasiguraduhan. Narito ako, tapat lang at totoo. Pinapangako sa iyo. Huwag aking liham sa pag-ibig ko. Di hayaan na mag-isa ka sa kahit na ano. Ikaw lang ang himpilan ng aking puso. Sa piling mo'y panatag ang buong pagkatao. Ligaya ng aking mundo. Okay, rami ng mga bagay na hindi natin maintindihan. Sa kabila ng lahat ay pilit nating binabalik.
So,
Man.
yun sinasabi niya,
Filipino.
ito ang aking liham sa pag-ibig ko. So, this is my letter
To someone love?
for my love. Yeah, sa pag-ibig ko. Di hayaan na mag-isa sa kahit na ano. So, I guess it's a love song for somebody.
Yeah.
He's promising
I will
that.
never leave you alone.
Yeah. It's pretty deep.
Stalker siya.
Pero, like, stalker. But this kind of music,
Yeah.
I like, kasi you hear
Oh,
everybody.
yeah. Everybody.
It's not meddled with loud music.
Yeah.
It's really vocalization. You hear it.
And then you get parang magnet.
Yes.
Yeah.
And then
It draws you.
it does. And then talagang all of them can sing. It's incredible. Ang galing.
Yeah. There's some deep Filipino words though that they use.
Yeah.
Kind of lost.
But it's like they're pretty deep, man. And these guys are young, no?
They're pretty young.
Yeah. Well, they say other things that's like, ooh, that's deep.
Mm-hmm.
I don't even know what that means.
Alright. Yeah, there's some Tagalog, Tagalog verse I don't
They're
understand.
using some deep words.
But let's continue on. That's a lot of people right there, man. That's a lot of people. Holy snap. This is Wish USA, so it's probably in LA. Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
Paano kaya kung hindi tayo nagkita?
Wish Exclusive on Wish 107.5.
Ang buhay ko'y matatawag bang mapabuhay? Sa layo ng bituin, ang tignan nito'y pagtingin sa nakaraang di gunitang tunay. O paumahin, wala ka man sa alaala ko'y habang buhay kitang mamahalin. Inugo mo ng bituin, ikaw na siyang mamahalin. Tuwang aking paumahin, habang buhay kang mamahalin. Iginugo mo siyang mamahalin. Tuwang aking paumahin. Ito ang aking liham sa pag-ibig ko. Di hahayaan ako mag-isa ka sa kahit na ano. Liham sa pag-ibig ko. Pinapangako na ang bituin ko ay para lang sa'yo. Ikaw na ang kaibigan ng aking puso. Mag-isang harap ko nakaraan, ikaw lahat ako. Aking mundo.
Damn.
Nice.
I knew one of them.
Ligaya ng aking mundo.
Wow.
That is what? That is Stell, right?
Stell, yes.
Yung huling-huli.
Yeah.
Man.
I like the guy with the low voice though. I like his voice.
Yeah. I like Pablo Ken.
I like Pablo.
Which one is Pablo?
Pablo is the
Oh, the writer.
writer.
The right. Yeah. Ang galing na rin eh.
Mhm.
All of them.
Yeah, they're all good, but you know,
Justin, Josh,
preference
Stell.
wise, I think I like the other guy.
Kung gusto ko ng, if I want
Maybe
something
he was-
high,
Yeah. Oh yeah,
then
yeah,
it's
yeah.
Stell.
Pero, I wanna ask the 18, anong ibig sabihin ng, ano sinabi nila, ginuguyam ng between?
What?
Ginuguyam ng bituin? Ginugumon? Ginugumon ng bituin.
Is that Tagalog?
Ay,
No, that might not be Tagalog.
ano ba yung ginugumon ng bituin?
Iginugumon.
Ng bituin.
Wow, that's deep.
That's
Can you
really.
say it?
I mean, I grew up in the Philippines, but I don't know what the hell ginugumon means.
Iginugumon.
Yeah.
Let us know, please.
Yeah, there's no
Because
18.
Google doesn't know how to translate it.
Yeah. What? Google? Well, I give it, it's a great performance. I mean,
It's with love story song.
it's a great story, great range of voices. I mean, these are voices.
The writer is, he is a good storyteller.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That I gotta give it to him.
Yeah.
And siya rin natin, he's the one that arranges everybody.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
He's very, very good.
Yeah, he knows which one fit. Right?
Yeah.
Mhm.
What
He's very,
voice?
very good.
Right. I mean, I think, I'm already impressed with SB19, so I don't think I can rate it any higher than 10.
No, yeah, it's kind of hard to at this point. I think it's hard to rate them because we already know that
They're
they're
good.
capable of doing.
Yeah. They could sing, they could dance,
They
they can
actually-
entertain.
I mean,
They can rap, they can do anything.
We actually know that they can do all genre.
Yeah.
Yeah, they can.
Well,
They've proven it.
hold
We've
on.
seen
Which
them
one?
do rock. Well, we still one guy do rock.
No, well, yeah, rock is good. They
Yeah.
did rock, but I haven't heard them saying country.
I don't think there's country in the Philippines.
There is.
Oh, there is.
Our normal love song ballads.
Oh,
So they pretty
Oh.
much covered it.
Yeah, I guess because country is
Yeah.
kind of love. It is love
Yeah.
song.
But
Love song.
bottom line, they're very well-rounded.
Yeah.
All they
What
can
kind of
take on.
well-rounded, like us?
Yeah, that kind of round.
Oh, okay.
Not physically.
Not physically.
I'm talking about they can tackle any kind of genre out there.
No, they can. They proven it
And-
already.
Yeah, and
Yeah.
I'm surprised they're not as big as they are right now.
Yeah. Worldwide, right?
I think like what you're commenting, if they sang more English songs and
Yeah.
get more people
To
around the
Yeah,
world
yeah,
to listen
yeah.
to them, I
make
think
it more marketable outside.
Yeah.
the Philippines.
Yeah.
I think
'Cause
that's the only thing I can think of.
I know. I
So how
think.
they get bigger.
Yeah.
I think when we did the BTS,
Yeah.
what do you call this, reaction,
Pancake.
Mhm.
the pancake one. Yeah, and I was saying like, you know what? I think SB19 is a little better.
Yeah.
than BTS. And somebody says it's a different genre. It's a different blah blah blah. They do belong to the same genre.
Same category.
Yeah.
Same category.
Yeah.
Different countries.
Yeah.
Same category.
That's right.
Music is music.
Music.
Mhm.
Music.
Yeah.
Right.
The only thing that I think that they should maybe try, or maybe we just don't know, that more English songs so
Yeah.
that
Yeah.
ang galing nila. They are so good, and I think they can be.
Yeah.
They
They
can.
should market themselves, right?
Yeah. Because
Outside
look,
the U.S.
they have visited the U.S., LA, I
Yeah.
think East Coast,
Right.
Canada, yeah. But I think the target
The audience.
target audience are Filipinos or whatever,
Mhm.
Right, because BTS, their audience are not just Koreans.
not just Korean.
Yeah.
You know,
You're right.
They're out there.
Yeah.
So, and I think they can do the same.
Yeah.
Ang
Yeah.
galing nila eh. I do have,
Yeah.
I like them.
You believe in that basically.
Oh, dude, I would, hands down. I mean, I think if they perform in America's Got Talent or whatnot, they
They're
probably
gonna get
win
picked
that.
up.
Yeah.
They'll win that.
They'll get picked up.
For sure.
Yeah, for sure. I mean,
I don't think they would because they don't.
they're professional already.
They
So.
don't need
Yeah, they don't need that.
They're already professional anyway. So
Yeah.
unfortunately, they're professional. But I mean, if you put them in that show, though,
Yeah, I got you.
they probably win that. I mean, hell,
Knock it
they
out of the
they they have the range of talents. You said dance, rap, whatever you put at them, they take it on and they succeed. They're actually.
And even if you do them one by one,
Oh yeah.
they could still
Yeah,
perform.
Yeah,
Exactly.
we already proven that with one guy. So,
Oh yeah, man. That Ken.
Ken.
That's
Is it Ken?
probably my
Ken?
boy right there, man. Ken. Yeah. But again, SB19 never disappoints.
Yeah.
Appreciate the
Comments.
recommendation.
Yeah.
And again, we'll try some SB19s again, man.
18 more recommendation.
More recommendation. So, and as you notice, we try to do SB19 at least once a week so that we can cover all their
We can keep up with them.
we can keep up with them basically.
We obviously don't know everything.
Yeah. So with that said, again, thanks for listening to Top Reacts and see you next time. Don't forget, like, share, and comment, and
Hit the bell.
subscribe. Hit the bell.
SB19.
SB!